Gray bar waiting for Charlie. Mr. Gray.
Mr. Gray.
Why don't you go pick up Mr. Gray?
Let's go pick up Mr. Gray.
What's up? Just arrived at Dublin Airport. We're going to get picked up by Dylan, who's hosting us for the seminar tonight. 5 o'clock start. Let's go drop our bags off at the hotel.
Forward. Let's go. It's like a fucking deer in the headlights.
Man of few words. Up, bro. How's things? I thought you said you got a Jeep. It's a Volkswagen, bro.
Mini Jeep.
What are you saying,
good?
brother? Good.
I'm good, mate.
Nice to meet
This
you,
is Ainsley
brother.
and this is Jaime.
Lovely to meet you, brother.
Go on, get down there, boy.
Mini attack dog.
It's funny because I've got the biggest dog in the world.
Really, yeah?
I've got a Doberman, yeah. And I'm not scared of him. Everyone's like scared of him. And then I'm like getting in the car with him and I'm like, oh! It's funny. Home sweet home.
Trimming you up.
Bro, it's literally like, I just want like a natural tape around the
Yeah,
back.
I'm gonna say, I was just about to say, do you even want me to do it with clippers? Like, other than like your little peak basically of the neck, like, do you just want me just to flick that out?
Nah, I do want a little bit of
little bit of a fade in there.
yeah, but not like skin or anything, just like,
Oh, be what?
bro, this was actually my girlfriend's.
Oh, right, in that case, it's sick, bro.
But it was all scissored, like short square layer, like there was a tiny bit of scissor over comb, so there's no clipper
So
work
that's
involved.
supposed to kick out a little bit.
Yeah, I did say I wanted it soft. Oh yeah, I've got my arms.
I was just about to say,
I don't even know how to put, I don't know how to put my gown on. That's literally the funny thing about it. I've never worn my gown. A bit of like a old school, like 10-year ago kind of haircut. Like I remember when like that was quite fashionable to have that mohawk like fade.
Yeah.
You know, like where it went into your nape area. Like me and all my friends kind of had it, or a lot of my friends had it like about 10 years ago. So it's not something I think is coming back into fashion, but if it's pulled off on the right edgy person,
Yeah,
and it's like bleached hair and like, you know, they're like rocking it, it just looks cool.
It's not too picture perfect, man. Like, it's a bit rugged.
Stand there and smile, innit? What's happening? We are at Move Salon and we're going to be delivering a 2-hour seminar focusing on longer length creative cut and a mid-length salon friendly cut, where we've got about 30 guests squeezing in to this beautiful salon, where we're going to be doing a really fun, happy, friendly, relaxed seminar tonight. We're here, Dublin in the rain. Oh, sorry. I've done too much talking. My
You're gonna say,
mind's, Okay, we just finished up for the seminar, standing in the rain. Time to go for some food and get some rest up for tomorrow for our one-day internal class with Move Salon. See you then. Peace. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, I'm very well. Feeling fresh. Been in the gym. Joking, just the jacuzzi. Yeah, ready for day 2. Doing an internal workshop with Dylan and his team at Move Salon. Going to be focusing on some classic salon-friendly stuff today. Working on a live model and mannequin heads. Getting the team really focusing on the mechanics of cutting hair. All the small little things. So it's going to be a really, really fun day. And then we head home straight to the airport after class. Check it out. Ainsley's pissed off. He had to pay €50 to check in because he forgot. Even though I told him 3 times today to check in.
I don't wish it on many people, but I do hope it falls over and grace.
With me.
Not you. Just the right again.
Anyway,
Moving on swiftly.
we're on the way to the flight. Dublin's been amazing. It's been a very quick trip in and out. Big up to Dylan and the boys at Move Salon who have made us very accommodated. That's even a word. I'm a bit tired right now, but you know what I mean. But it's been an amazing trip. The education was great. The crowd was great. Thank you to everyone who bought a ticket for the seminar. We've had a great time as a team. First time as a team as Hair and Motion Education, bonding together and going to start to grow this brand. So watch out for the next couple of trips, the next couple of vlogs that come through. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed behind the scenes and what we get up to as much as we do. So thank you for watching and
don't forget to like and subscribe. I always wanted to say that, bro.
well, now was your opportunity to say that, yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BTS footage and more Ainsley getting fined £55, which I will never forget.